Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so I'm trying to find closet piece, which I have not found yet. I found Jackson though. He doesn't want me to find closet piece because closet piece means he has to help. Okay, so I am working in my shoe closet, right? This house came with this closet. I didn't ask for this. So a separate closet. I always figured if the Lord sent me a husband, he'd have this. I'd have to take my stuff out. But since he is tarrying on that desire, I've got to do something a little bit different. And I'm not finding that piece yet in my master yet, but I'm hopeful that it's coming at any day. So what I'm doing, Jackson, there's still more things here, bud. I do use this to house some of my YouTube filming equipment because I can't do stuff everywhere, right? So I have to just, do the best I can. So I'm trying to put all of my shoes that are in my master closet in this closet so I don't have shoes in here. So this is where I have extra shoes. I've got shoes in this thing that is actually breaking, is tearing. So I have shoes here, shoes on this shelf. And then I also have shoes in this thing right here. So I'm going to try to work all of those shoes out of this closet and put them in the shoe closet. Yes.
Oh wait, I can't see one.
All right, y'all, I thought I'd show you kind of the progress we made in the closet. So we totally flipped the closet. This used to be over here, and we moved it. So now I can have space over here in my closet. All of my clothes, dresses, shirts, skirts, pants, t-shirts, and then boots, because it's boot season. Up there, I have bags, and then some of my shoes are there. Over here, I got all of my jewelry pieces put back into some of these buckets. And then we totally decluttered this hanging basket. This hanging rack. I have a ton of jewelry. And some of it I just wasn't wearing. So we kept all the pieces that we love. that Michael Kors bag that I carry. My sister got it for me for Christmas, so that's the bag that goes to it. We totally got all of the shoes, or the majority of the shoes that we could get in this closet. Remember, I still have YouTube stuff that I house in here, which are backdrops and extra lights and different things like that. But we got a ton of shoes in here. And then last but not least, certainly, of course, we were still decluttering a lot of the custom jewelry pieces. I just have had a ton of stuff, been trying to hold on to it, thinking, hey, this will be important. 100% totally honest, it's just taking up space, and I don't have room in this house just for things to take up space. So I am keeping my glasses here. I tried to move them, but I think I just like them there because they've been there so long. Here are a few jewelry pieces. These are some of my more, not higher end pieces, but they just look more for fancy occasions. Got rid of a ton of bracelets. And then a friend of mine gave me a ton of paparazzi stuff that I just haven't had a chance to use. And so I thought if I sit it out where I can see it, I may be able to pull some things from it. So there that is. Child, I tell you, it's a lot to be a dog. And she is just one slap out. I mean, have worked all day doing all the things. Anywho, you guys, there it is. Just a few things we were able to get done. We didn't do a lot, but we did something. We do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Thank you so much for being a part of our family. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.